Dear students, today we will be mainly focusing on language processing, which is one of the popular area in artificial intelligence. So what is the perception of the scientists who started work in language processing? So they were able to make the compilers which were able to translate the programming languages, high-level programming languages into the machine languages, and they considered that it is very near that we could also translate the human's language and natural language in the similar fashion as we have translated the high-level programming languages. However, this was not the reality. Although formal languages differ from natural languages like English, Urdu, German, only a few years away they were considering. But the programming languages are constructed from well-designed primitives so that each statement means only one meaning. So for example, whenever you write while in C++, as we have written in one of the previous modules, this while means that this is the start of the loop. If you write for, this is the start of the loop. If you write if, this is the start of the control structure. So that particular instruction has only one meaning. However, in natural languages, it is not the case. A statement in natural language can have multiple meanings depending on its context or even the manner it is communicated. To understand natural language, humans rely heavily on additional knowledge which is in their head and the context of that particular environment. So for example, I say, I need an apple. So what does it mean? Am I asking for a fruit, apple, or am I asking for apple phone? So that would be cleared by the way I communicate or the context in which I have uttered this sentence. So this is very difficult for machines to translate and to understand that this guy is asking for fruit or the Apple machine. For example, you are very late. So when we say this, it means speaker has waited for a long time. So this is the implicit meaning. So this means that understanding natural language processing or natural language requires 3 levels of analysis: syntactic analysis, semantic analysis, and contextual analysis. So first is the syntactic analysis. In this, major component is parsing. So for example, Mary gave John a birthday card. So here we want to identify the subject, and the subject is Mary, who is doing the work. The John got a birthday card from Mary. So here the subject is John. So this is done in the syntactic analysis. In semantic analysis, we want to identify the meanings, the semantic role of each word in the statement. For example, Mary gave John a birthday card and John got a birthday card from Mary would be recognized as saying the same thing if we are able to perform the semantic analysis in an accurate and correct way. And the third one is the contextual analysis. Context of the sentence is brought into the understanding process. So the bat fell to the ground has different meanings in different context. For example, in baseball game, it has different context, and in cave exploration, this has different context. So that can be done under or studied under the contextual analysis. So let's summarize today's module. We have learned about language processing. We have seen that what scientists perceived and what is the reality, how the natural language can be understood, what are the syntactic, semantic, and contextual analysis.